sklearn, linear model, ridge classifier CV. Description: Ridge classifier CV implements ridge regression with built-in cross-validation to choose the best regularization strength alpha. This is particularly useful when dealing with high-dimensional datasets where overfitting is a concern. Inputs: XA2D array representing the training features. Each row represents a data point, and each column represents a feature. YA1D array representing the target labels corresponding to the training features. Outputs: Core A1D array containing the coefficients of the fitted ridge model. Intercept: the intercept of the fitted ridge model. Steps: 1. Splitting the data. The data is split into multiple folds using a cross-validation strategy like K-fold. 2. Fitting models. A separate ridge model is trained on each fold, with different values of alpha regularization strength. 3. Cross-validation score. The performance of each model is evaluated on the remaining folds using a metric like accuracy or F1 score. 4. Best alpha selection. The value of alpha that yields the best average cross-validation score is chosen as the optimal regularization strength. 5. Final model. The final ridge model is trained on the entire dataset using the chosen alpha. Metrics: accuracy, percentage of correctly classified instances. F1 score, harmonic mean of precision and recall, measuring the balance between classifying positive instances correctly and avoiding false positives. AUC area under the ROC curve measures the overall performance of the classifier, considering both true positive and true negative rates. Visualization plots: learning curve plots the model's performance, e.g., accuracy against the training set size. Feature importance plot shows the relative importance of each feature in the model. Coefficient plot visualizes the magnitude and direction of the coefficients learned by the model. Fine-tune parameters: alpha is a list of alpha values to try during cross-validation. CV: the number of folds for cross-validation or a cross-validation generator. Scoring: the evaluation metric used for cross-validation, e.g., accuracy. F1. ROC. Fit intercept: whether to calculate the intercept or not. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals: compute confidence intervals for the model's coefficients, providing a measure of uncertainty in the learned values. Bootstrap aggregating: bagging, train multiple ridge models on different bootstrap samples of A data and average their predictions, reducing variance and providing uncertainty estimates. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: overfitting occurs when the model performs well on the training data but poorly on unseen data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a small dataset with a high number of features may lead to overfitting. Fixes to challenge 1: increase the regularization strength alpha to penalize complex models and reduce overfitting. Use cross-validation to choose an optimal alpha value. Challenge 2: high dimensionality can lead to poor performance if the number of features is significantly larger than the number of data points. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a dataset with thousands of features and only a few hundred data points. Fixes to challenge 2: feature selection techniques can be used to identify the most relevant features before training the ridge model. Dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis (PCA) can be applied to reduce the number of features. Challenge 3: poorly scaled features. If features have very different scales, the ridge model might be biased towards features with larger magnitudes. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3: one feature ranges from 0 to 100, while another feature ranges from 0 to 0.1. Fixes to challenge 3 scale the features to have similar ranges before training the ridge model. Common scaling techniques include standardization, zero mean, unit variance or min-max scaling values between 0 and 1.